This is the Academic Onefile tutorial. Academic Onefile is a database available on the library's website under Quick Links. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and do a search. As you can see, we're at the advanced search option and there are multiple search fields. And the default is for keyword searching. If you actually click on the down arrow, you can see a wide variety of different types of searching possibilities. But for today's example, I'm going to go ahead and keep it on keyword. And I'm going to go ahead and do an example. Okay, so what I did was a search on affirmative action and also used the search term policy. And what we have here is the results from that search. And what we're seeing here are the titles of the articles. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit so you can see the list. And I wanted to show what these symbols are meaning that we're seeing here underneath the titles. In this particular example, there's an A, and that means that there's an abstract available for this article. So it's not the full article itself, it's actually an abstract or a brief summary of what the article is about. And then here, if you scroll down, you can see that there is another symbol with C, and this means it's just a citation. So it's not even a summary, and it's not the full article itself, it's just merely a description of the article. Here under example 12, we can see that this is an example of a full text result. So this is where there is the actual full article sitting in this list. In this particular example, there is going to be a PDF version as well as what we call full text, which is going to be HTML. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this result. So when you click on the title, this actually pulls you into the article itself. You can see here it starts off with the abstract. And then when we have HTML availability for a full article, the full text will always start below the abstract. In this particular example, we did have the option of a PDF format. And here in the upper right-hand side will always be the tools box. And when the PDF is available, you can click here and it'll pull you into the PDF. Below that is also the email option. This gives you the ability to email the full article to yourself, be it the PDF version or the HTML that we see listed below. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to the original results list, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll back up to the top. Here I wanted to show the various tabs. When you do a search in Academic Onefile, the default is for academic journals, and in this particular example, this search pulled up 846 articles from academic journals. You can see that there are various tabs, and this is going to be able to help you guys when you might be wanting to use different types of resources. So you can see there's a magazines, books, newspapers, and a multimedia tab. Multimedia would be transcripts of radio, maybe some images, that sort of thing. You can also see here there's a sort by. When you do a search in Academic Onefile, the default search listing is by publication date with the most recent available article listing first. There is the ability to resort this to relevance, and that would be relevance based off of the keyword search. To the left, you can see that there are options for narrowing our results. Since we had a huge amount of results, this is definitely something you want to consider. You can narrow the results by type, document type. You can also do it by publication title or by subjects. You can also see below here are other ways of limiting to the type of resource. So if you want to look at transcripts from a radio interview or some sort of if you want to look at book reviews or something like that, you'll be able to click on that, and that's a limiter as well. So this is going to be it for the Academic Onefile tutorial. Thanks.